That's disgusting. Oh. That's nasty. That's disgusting. Go ahead and throw the phase and random to 0 and oscillator A. And go over to the digital section. Go ahead and select disc sub disc perk. Go into that wavetable position to 2. Turn on oscillator B. Go over to the spectral section. Go ahead and select Squelchy FM. Throw the phase and random to 0. That's nasty. Go ahead and throw that wavetable position to 1/4. And go over to envelope 2. Go ahead and put the attack out to about... Let's go ahead and select 187. And go ahead and throw envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator B. And put that out of 47%. Throw envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator A. Put that out of 52%. Now let's beef this up. Bring in a distortion. Change it from tube to overdrive. Alright, go ahead and throw the drive to 60%. And now go ahead and bring in an equalizer. Bring the right side gain down to 6, left side gain down to 3. That's nasty. Go ahead and bring in a hyperdimension. Go ahead and throw the hyper to 0 and the dimension to 15. That's nasty. Okay, I'm having too much fun with this one. Turn your filter on, go to the miscellaneous section, select the reverb filter, and turn it on for only oscillator A. Throw the resonance to 47% and throw the cutoff to 64 Hz. Go ahead and throw LFO1 onto the cutoff of the filter, put that out of 10%, and throw the rate on LFO1 to 1/2. That is disgusting. We're going to go ahead and turn the noise oscillator on, throw the level down to 0. Alright, and now go ahead and throw LFO1 onto the level of the noise here. And put that out of 36. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and throw the level of oscillator B down to 0. We're going to go ahead and throw LFO2 onto the level of oscillator B. That's disgusting. Holy crap, man. That's nasty. Can we make it even nastier? I don't know. Put a sync on the wave morph of oscillator B, and I put that sync to 4.68, and then threw LFO2 onto the sync and put the outer dial to -67. It gives you that. And you can play with the rate of LFO2. It's 1/8 right now, but 1/4 is fire. That's nasty, man. That's disgusting. That's disgusting, man. That's the sound, y'all. Enjoy.